Hi, I'm David Daggett with Daggett Shuler, Attorneys at Law. If you've been hurt at work and have a workers' compensation claim, you know it can be very confusing. So let me leave you with 3 points to remember if you've been hurt at work. First of all, you need to file a report of your claim with the North Carolina Industrial Commission. The Industrial Commission is the official agency of the state that looks after workers' compensation claims. They're also the court system for workers' compensation claims. Next is, make sure you file a notice of your injury with your employer. Usually you do that through the Human Resources Department at work, but whoever that point person is, make sure that you file a notice of injury with them. And third, you need to make sure you get appropriate medical care, emergency treatment, and follow up with doctors. Workers' compensation claims are based on the medical evidence, so you have to get appropriate treatment and appropriate follow-up for your injuries in order to document them and prove your case. Now, I want to tell you a couple things you need to watch out for also, is the laws in workers' compensation are very tricky and they tend to change. Just a couple years ago, the North Carolina legislature, they changed a bunch of the laws. And if you don't know the ins and outs of those laws, they can work against you. You need somebody working for you. Next is, it's the insurance company for the employer. Don't blame the employer, it's usually the insurance company. Their job is to pay you as little as possible on your claim. They know the ins and outs, you don't. You need competent, professional advisors on your side to walk you through the system, how it works, and make sure your rights are protected. Lastly, you need someone to help guide your medical treatment. You need to get to the appropriate doctors to take care of yourself and so you can heal, recover, and make that income that you need to take care of yourself and your family. And to do that, you need to go through the appropriate medical providers to take care of you. Those are also the providers who document your claim to make sure you're compensated. When you're hurt and out of work, it can be a very stressful time for you and your family because you depend on your income. If you don't know where to turn, please turn to Daggett Shuler. We'd be honored to help you and your family.